Hello everyone, welcome back to Chic Mama. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be a pregnancy skincare routine, as well as an anti-stretch mark, belly bump care routine. I have a ton of products. I am such a skincare junkie. For those of you who don't know, I also have a beauty channel, which is mostly makeup and skincare and beauty related. I'll link that down below. It's just my name, Haley Spear. So yes, I do have a beauty channel. That's why I'm into this makeup and lots of skincare. Definitely don't feel like you guys have to run out and buy so many skincare items. I say that and I have 100 products sitting here. I'm gonna talk about a couple of ingredients that you want to stay away from or, you know, look for in products. One side note, it's something that I don't think any one of us wants to hear, but I'm going to just mention this. Stretch marks on the tummy are inevitable. I think it's something like 50 to 75% of all pregnant women get stretch marks, whether it be on the tummy, the breasts, the hips, the thighs, the buns. Like, it's inevitable. Our body is going through a major stretch, and you know, genetics play a huge role in skin. I definitely have really bad elasticity in my skin, so I'm probably gonna get stretch marks. But I'm doing everything in my power to keep my skin moisturized, supple, nourished, and you know, even if I can prevent one stretch mark, I've done my job. So without further ado, I am going to jump into my skincare routine as far as my face goes, as well as my belly skincare routine. So if you guys want to keep on watching, give it a thumbs up and we'll just jump right in. So let's start off with face care products. Ever since I've been pregnant, whenever I talk to the camera, I get out of breath. So just bear with me. I sound like I ran a marathon. I'm just sitting here, did nothing all day. All right, so first we're gonna talk about some cleansers. I like to use the Neutrogena towelettes. These ones are the night calming ones. I like the hydration ones, and I like the original as well. They're just really good. When I was first pregnant, like in my first trimester, I had no motivation to wash my face. I didn't even want to take my makeup. I didn't even put makeup on. I didn't want to take my makeup off. It was out of control how much motivation I didn't have. So this Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water Makeup Remover has been a lifesaver. This is my second bottle that I've gone through. It's been a lifesaver as far as time goes, and plus I work late nights and I come home around like 1:30 in the morning, so I don't want to just spend 20 minutes you know, washing my face and doing my skincare routine. So what you do is you shake it all up so everything mixes. I use a little bit on a cotton round and then wipe it all over my face after the cleansing wipes, and it gets all the dirt and oil and makeup off of my skin. Even the waterproof mascara, it's amazing, you guys. Just got it at Target too, drugstore. Another cleanser that I use while I'm pregnant, before and after, I've used it so many times, it's like my third bottle, is the CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser for normal to dry skin. A dermatologist did recommend this to me one time because it's really gentle. So it's non-comedogenic, non-irritating. It has hyaluronic acid, which is really good for moisture. So this is what I use for my cleanser, and it definitely feels more like a lotion when I put it on to wash my face, which feels really nice. After cleansing is when I go in with my serums. So for daytime, I'm kind of embarrassed to even show this on this channel because we're moms and we need to save money, and I need to save money, but I had this before I was pregnant and now I can't put it down. So I use the Sanitas Peptiderm Firming Serum. I'll link it down below. I got it on dermstore.com. It is really expensive. You don't need this. Don't go out and get it unless you can or really want to. It's really good. I'm not gonna lie, I wouldn't be showing it in this video if it wasn't great, but it's an anti-aging serum. It just has a lot of peptides. It's supposed to build collagen, help firm skin up, help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So yeah, I just go ahead and do this every single day. I put a drop or two on my hands, rub it into my face, and kind of pat it in so that it sinks into my skin. It's really working wonders for me. I'm 29 years old. I do have age signs because of tanning and not taking care of my skin before. So I just use this enough. We're not gonna talk about it anymore because it's too expensive, right? After I wash my face at night, I go in with this serum from Caudalie. It is their Vino Perfect Radiance Serum. So with a lot of pregnant women, we create more melanin, and that is like the pigmentation in our skin. So a lot of times we can get melasma, which are those like webbing brown spots on the face, as well as the little pregnancy line on the belly. That is why that darkens for a lot of pregnant women. We just create more melanin, which is the skin tone producing like element. I'm not a dermatologist, so I have no idea if I even like mentioned that correctly, but I believe that's what it's called. So I wanted something to help combat the dark spots that I have on my face. I've always had dark spots from birth control and hormones, and I just didn't want them to get so much worse throughout the pregnancy. So I got this, and I've actually noticed it's really helped the tone of my skin to be more even. My dark spots are fading a little bit. I have only used this much of it, but my dark spots have faded already, so I can't wait to continue using this and see what it does for my skin. But so far so good. So my daytime moisturizer, I've gone through 3 tubes of this stuff. It's the Caudalie Moisturizing Sorbet. It is for sensitive skin. I use this in the summertime and recurrently, which is the fall time. We're going into winter here in Maine, so it's getting very dry and cold out. But this moisturizer is just very lightweight, creamy. My skin absorbs this super well. It's not greasy, it's lightweight. I have normal to dry skin. I should have mentioned that in the very beginning of the video. I'm pretty sure this would work for oily skin as well. I know they have a couple of different types of moisturizers, but this is my favorite. I've gone through 3 tubes, like I said. I'm not planning on switching. And then at night, the last part of my skincare routine is a beauty oil. This is just the beauty oil that I've been reaching for now. It's what I had in my cupboard. It's like super dirty right now. It's the Boscia Tsubaki beauty oil. No idea how to say that. I'll list everything down below, of course. It's just a lightweight beauty oil. I put a few drops on my fingertips, rub it all into my skin, as well as dabbing it underneath and around my eyes. It keeps my skin super hydrated and moisturized all night long. It doesn't irritate my eyes or anything like that, but I love going in with a beauty oil because they're really good for your skin. It helps keep you really moisturized at nighttime. I like to go to bed looking like a greased chicken. My boyfriend loves it. It's so attractive. But in all honesty, a beauty oil is probably your best bet for nighttime. Nighttime is when you want to be an oil slick, like put on all the thick moisturizers and oils that you can. It doesn't matter if you're dry, oily, it doesn't matter. Every skin type needs moisture, no matter if you're dry or oily. So yeah, it's anti-aging, it is lightweight, it is made from Japanese sea kelp, antioxidants. Every morning when I wake up, my skin is very hydrated and plump and supple and just more youthful and glowing looking. So obviously, who doesn't want to glow? And then as far as eye treatment, during the day, I've been going in with the Sanitas Peptiderm eye treatment. This is my 2nd tube of this stuff. It's an anti-aging eye cream that is full of peptides that are supposed to lift and firm, depuff, help reduce dark circles, diminish fine lines. It's super amazing, you guys. It's very lightweight. It's not too greasy, but yet it's super hydrating. I got this on dermstore.com. I will list them below. I think I have a 20% off coupon that they're going right now through the holidays. And at nighttime, I don't use a specific eye cream because I go in with a beauty oil around my eyes. So the last item for my skincare routine is a spot treatment from Badescue. It's their buffering lotion. Now this is for breakouts. So for those of you who have acne or pregnancy-induced acne, this is going to be amazing for you. I'm telling you, whenever I got a breakout around my chin, you basically shake this up. It has like a little sediment in it. You shake it up and then you dot it all over wherever your breakouts are. And the next day, like within a couple of days, your breakouts will totally be reduced. I'm telling you, it's amazing. As far as ingredients that you want to look out for is salicylic acid. And that is typically an anti-acne treatments and spot treatments. So this does not have that, the buffering lotion. All of the ingredients that I've looked up seem to be pregnancy safe and it works amazing. So the Badescue Buffering Lotion has been a lifesaver for a spot treatment. That's for sure. One side note that I will make, retinol, vitamin A, and every derivative from there on out, I have excluded from my routine, which is really hard because retin A is in a lot of, and vitamin A, retinol is in a lot of anti-aging and anti-acne products. So yeah, that ingredient I just completely banished from my skincare routine while I'm pregnant because I don't know. It's controversial, it can cause birth defects. Some say it can't if it's applied topically. I don't care. I just nixed it from my routine. Ask your doctor for sure, because I'm not a doctor or a dermatologist, but if it's controversial, I don't care. Moving on to the belly bump and anti-stretch mark routine. First and foremost, I use this Soap and Glory Flake Away. It's a sugar scrub for your body. I use this twice a week on my belly, and I gently exfoliate in the shower on damp skin. It has grapeseed, almond oils, sea salt, sugar, shea butter. It has all kinds of awesome ingredients, and it smells really good. But something to exfoliate and slough off dead skin helps your skin to create more fresh skin cells and collagen and elastin and all of those things like that. We're going through the great stretch, so your skin is going to need to repair and replace and replenish new skin cells every single day. So I give it a boost with this sugar scrub here from Soap and Glory. They have all kinds of different sugar scrubs. Like I said, you can make one at home too. But this is just what I'm using right now. And then immediately when I get out of the shower, after I exfoliate, I use my Belli Elasticity Belly Oil. It has vitamin E, lavender oil, so it smells super good. It's relaxing and calming. So what you're supposed to do is morning and night, you're supposed to rub in circular motions on your breasts, your hips, your buns, your belly, everywhere where you're going to expand, and I've already expanded, yes. So I rub this into my skin. I have to use a lot. I've noticed it's kind of a thicker oil, and my skin just like absorbs it, so I use a lot of it. I don't care. It's been working really well for me. It's OB-GYN and dermatologist recommended. It has sweet almond oil. It's supposed to be moisturizing, help skin stretch without damage. So yeah, I go ahead and with this after I get out of the shower every single day. After I go in with my belly oil, I go in with Burt's Bees Mama Bee Belly Butter. It has shea butter and vitamin E. Vitamin E is really good for anti-scarring and nourishing of the skin. It's really moisturizing as well. It has all kinds of like oils, coconut oil, sunflower seed oil, glycerin, almond oil, jojoba butter, all kinds of great things. I found this at Target. This isn't greasy at all. It doesn't transfer onto my clothes. I've got nothing but good things to say about this. This is my second tub. I do run out of this really quickly though, so we'll see. And then I also go in as an all-over body moisturizer with this Soap and Glory, the Righteous Butter. I'm sure everyone and their moms have heard about this. It's a really thick body butter. It smells amazing, you guys. It's florally, it's perfumey, it's really, really thick. It's a huge tub. You get 10.1 ounces. I use this all over my body for moisturization. Sometimes I'll use it on my belly because it does have cocoa butter, shea butter, coconut oil. It does have very good ingredients in it as well. So I will also use this for my all over moisturizer, and sometimes on my belly, just load it up. And then last but very not least, I've been using this since the day we decided to try to have a baby. This is Kapari Coconut Milk. It is pure coconut oil. It is cruelty-free, vegan, sulfate-free, all of those things. Super amazing. This jar is actually empty. I'm waiting for my one to arrive in the mail right now. But yeah, it's coconut oil. Coconut oil is amazing for your skin, your hair. It's amazing for everything. So I just lather this all over my skin whenever I feel a little dry throughout the day. I like to let it absorb into my skin a little bit before I get dressed. That way it doesn't get on my clothing. But yeah, this Kapari Coconut Milk has been amazing. And it's been the product that I've used probably the most because I've used it since day one. And I will continue to use this all over my breast, my belly, my hips, everything. All right, you guys, so that is going to complete my skincare and belly anti-stretch mark routine. I know it's a lot of things. Not every day I go in with everything as far as the belly goes, but I want to keep that thing greased up like a turkey on Thanksgiving Day. So yeah, if you guys have any products, diehard products that you live by, leave them in the comments below. Give the video a thumbs up. Drink lots of water, by the way. I didn't mention drinking lots of water, eating nuts, avocados, things that are really, really healthy and nourishing for your skin. I will also list those things below. That will really, really, really help with your skin's elasticity. Water is so important. Anyway, guys, that is all I have to say today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.